Hello there. This is the weight problems relating to systems of equations. So weight problems are always weird problems, okay? Lots of reading, you don't feel like reading it. But you know what? You need to come to the reality. It's a real life problems. So think like you are the person doing it. Always I'll replace the name in the story with your name. The student is you and you're doing it, blah, blah, blah. You can think all the way. Anyway, let us start reading this problem. So it's saying the music club. Oh, hey, cool. There's a music club. Mr. Shrum's team. Oh, wow. Is it? Okay. Sold tickets for a choral performance. Choral? Maybe choir. Whatever. Okay. The club sold $7 for adult tickets and $5 for student tickets. So you're getting the idea, right? It always happens in schools, like adult tickets a little bit more than the student ticket, where A represents the number of adult tickets and S represents the number of student tickets. Okay. In total of 200 tickets were sold. There you go. You are getting your first information there. In a total of 200, how do you put that together? That is like A plus S, right? So total number of students and total number of adults all together, it is going to be 200. Okay. Write it down. Pause the video and write it down. Okay, now what is happening? $7 for A, adults ticket $7. So the total is going to be 7A plus $5, right? My 5 and my S are going to look similar. So be careful. I am going to put my S like this. So this is a S, okay? This is S. This is not 5, okay? So let me just clarify that. This is not 5. This is the letter S, okay? Yeah. So together, how much? The profit was 870. We are getting a profit of 870 and you paid something to the teacher or the teacher. 210 for the if the music club initially received a total of 210 from Mishram, and how much tickets of each type did they? Oh, yeah. So you need to pay back, right? Because the teacher is giving you some money. So basically what is happening is 870 plus that 210. So if you are in clubs and all, it will be really, you may get it, what is going on there. So 870 plus 210. So what is that? 870 plus 210 will be 1080. Okay. This is the situation. You can kind of see like what is going on here. So you need to take it from there. This is going to be a little bit messy problem because you need to know your methods and solving and all those things. Couple of ways you can solve this problem. If you want to do substitution method, you can always do substitution method, or you can do elimination method with a small multiplication here, because here A plus S equal to 200, 7A plus 5 is equal to 1080. Okay. How are we going to do this? Which method you're going to do? You know what? I am going to do a substitution method. Substitution method is always, for substitution method, we need to isolate a variable. That is the story of it. So we need to isolate the S to the other side. We need to make one variable alone. Then you know what happens? Wherever you see your that variable, you will substitute with that. So here you are starting your journey with 7. Uh-oh, did you see that A is coming? So take that guy here. So instead of A, remember you cannot play with two variables, right? So that's why I am replacing that A with 200 minus S. Okay. Plus 5S. Now you have to go for all the distributive property. So hope you remember your distributive properties. This is the reason this chapter is so hard for some students, because we have to remember everything from the past. Trust me. 1400, from where I'm getting the 1400? 7 times 200 minus 7 times s, right? Plus 5s. So here we are, almost getting there. 1080. Now you solve for these two guys. You need to know your negatives for that. So you minus 2s. Hope you understand that. Okay, so you need to work through your negative skills. You need to work your distribution skills, Then you need to work through your solving equation skills. Fine. Now we need to move that guy, right? 1400 negative 1400 subtract 1400. So you will get negative 2s equal to 20, 10, then negative 380 or something, right? Hope 320, right? Yeah, hope I'm doing it right. If I'm making silly math mistakes, forgive me. So s equal to, when you divide, you will get like 160 or something, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. So the student's ticket must be 160. Okay. So what is the question? How many tickets of each type? Oh, the student's ticket is 160. What will be the adult ticket? 200 minus 160, right? So adults will be 200 minus 160, which is 40. Okay, so that is the final answer. Hope you understand this. Stop this video and watch it again and again, okay? So I used substitution method to solve this problem. Cool. Okay.